maintain even spacing of trains, this train will be held in the station momentarily. We apologize for any inconvenience.
This is a Westpotat bound K train. The next stop is 10th Street.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Ladies and gentlemen, in order to provide the best possible service for all our customers, we are waiting for connecting passengers on an arriving train.
Ladies and gentlemen, to maintain even spacing of trains, this train will be held in the station momentarily. We apologize for any inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, after an earlier incident, trains are running at slower speeds. We apologize for any inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, because of a mechanical malfunction, this train is no longer in service. Please follow the instructions from the train crew.